Welcome back to GK Fact Zone. Let's start. Before starting the video, please subscribe to GK Fact Zone for more quizzes. Question number 1. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. Correct. C. Gujarat. Question number 2. Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Rajendra Prasad. Correct. B. C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 3. Which Indian river is known as the River of Sorrow? A. Ganga. B. Damodar. C. Kosi. Correct. C. Kosi. Question number 4. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by which amendment? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 52nd Amendment. Correct. A. 42nd Amendment. Question number 5. Which Indian city is called the Silicon Valley of India? A. Hyderabad. B. Bengaluru. C. Pune. Correct. B. Bengaluru. Question number 6. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Pratibha Patil. Correct. B. Indira Gandhi. Question number 7. The national emblem of India is adapted from which pillar? A. Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. B. Ashoka pillar at Vaishali. C. Ashoka pillar at Sanchi. Correct. A. Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. Question number 8. Which Indian state was the first to be formed on linguistic basis? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Kerala. Correct. B. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 9. Which Indian freedom fighter is known as Frontier Gandhi? A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. B. Maulana Azad. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct. A. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 10. The Planning Commission of India was replaced by A. Finance Commission. B. Niti Aayog. C. Economic Council. Correct. B. Niti Aayog. Question number 11. Which Indian monument is called the symbol of love? A. Qutub Minar. B. Taj Mahal. C. Char Minar. Correct. B. Taj Mahal. Question number 12. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Maharashtra. Correct. B. Kerala. Question number 13. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Rajendra Prasad. Correct. B. B. R. Ambedkar. Question number 14. Which Indian seaport is the largest by volume? A. Mumbai. B. Kandla. C. Chennai. Correct. B. Kandla. Question number 15. Which Indian state has the maximum number of Lok Sabha seats? A. Maharashtra. B. Bihar. C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct. C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 16. What is the official currency of India? A. Indian dollar. B. Indian rupee. C. Bharat rupee. Correct. B. Indian rupee. Question number 17. Which Indian city hosted the first IPL match? A. Mumbai. B. Bengaluru. C. Kolkata. Correct. C. Kolkata. Question number 18. Who wrote Vande Mataram? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. C. Subramania Bharti. Correct. B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 19. Which Indian state shares maximum international borders? A. West Bengal. B. Assam. C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct. B. Assam. Question number 20. The Election Commission of India is a Judicial body. B. Executive body. C. Constitutional body. Correct. C. Constitutional body. Question number 21. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? A. Holi. B. Diwali. C. Navratri. Correct. B. Diwali. Question number 22. Who was the first president of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. S. Radhakrishnan. Correct. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 23. Which Indian state has two capitals? A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. Correct. A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 24. Which Indian dam is the highest? A. Bahakar Nangal. B. Tehri Dam. C. Hirakud. Correct. B. Tehri Dam. Question number 25. The right to education is under which article? A. Article 19. B. Article 21A. C. Article 32. Correct. B. Article 21A. Question number 26. Which Indian state produces maximum tea? A. West Bengal. B. Assam. C. Kerala. Correct. B. Assam. Question number 27. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? A. Jaipur. B. Udaipur. C. Jodhpur. Correct. A. Jaipur. Question number 28. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? A. C. V. Raman. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Amartya Sen. Correct. B. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 29. Which Indian river is the longest? A. Yamuna. B. Brahmaputra. C. Ganga. Correct. C. Ganga. Question number 30. Which Indian state is known as Land of Rising Sun? A. Sikkim. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Nagaland. Correct. B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 31. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India? A. Kiran Bedi. B. Meera Borwankar. C. Archana Ramasundaram. Correct. A. Kiran Bedi. Question number 32. Which Indian state has maximum number of national parks? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Assam. C. Karnataka. Correct. A. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 33. The Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) was founded in A. 1965, B. 1969, C. 1972. B. 1969. Question number 34. Which Indian city is known as the Manchester of India? A. Surat. B. Ahmedabad. C. Coimbatore. Correct. B. Ahmedabad. Question number 35. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? A. Sunita Williams. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Tessie Thomas. Correct. B. Kalpana Chawla. Question number 36. Which Indian state has the largest forest cover? A. Chhattisgarh. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct. C. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 37. The Constitution of India came into effect on A. the 15th of August 1947. B. the 26th of January 1950. C. the 26th of November 1949. Correct. B. the 26th of January 1950. Question number 38. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Chennai. Correct. B. Kolkata. Question number 39. Who gave the slogan Jaya Jawan Jaya Kisan? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. Correct. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 40. Which Indian state has the largest population? A. Maharashtra. B. Bihar. C. Uttar Pradesh. Correct. C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 41. Which Indian dance form originates from Kerala? A. Bharatanatyam. B. Kathakali. C. Kuchipudi. Correct. B. Kathakali. Question number 42. Who was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest? A. Bachendri Pal. B. Tenzing Norgay. C. Santosh Yadav. Correct. B. Tenzing Norgay. Question number 43. Which Indian river forms the Sundarbans Delta? A. Godavari. B. Ganga. C. Mahanadi. Correct. B. Ganga. Question number 44. Which Indian state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. Correct. B. Kerala. Question number 45. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? A. Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Morarji Desai. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Correct. A. Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 46. Which Indian city has the largest film industry? A. Mumbai. B. Hyderabad. C. Chennai. Correct. A. Mumbai. Question number 47. Which Indian state has the highest number of rivers? A. Assam. B. West Bengal. C. Bihar. Correct. A. Assam. Question number 48. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Homi Bhabha. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Vikram Sarabhat. Correct. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 49. Which Indian festival marks the harvest season? A. Diwali. B. Baisakhi. C. Eid. Correct. B. Baisakhi. Question number 50. Which Indian state was the last to join Indian Union? A. Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Mizoram. Correct. A. Sikkim. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to GK Fact Zone for more exciting quizzes.